Good morning, I'm Allison Rodriguez. You know, now more than ever, we are all looking for ways to save. And couponing videos, they have millions of views on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, right? So I went to a local drugstore to see what I could get for as little as possible. And the savings were actually pretty huge. Plus, I never had to clip any coupons from a paper. Star Smith loves to save. Based in Atlanta, she connected with me via Zoom to walk me through how to save at a store that's in all of our neighborhoods, CVS.
If you look for savings, the way that the world is set up right now, you can find them. You can coupon absolutely anything.
First thing, sign up for the CVS rewards programs. I signed up for the Extra Care program, the Care Pass, which does have a monthly fee, but the first month is free, and the Beauty Club. And I got $13 in extra bucks just by signing up. Star helped me make my shopping list and clip the digital coupons in the app, so it's time to hit the store. First stop, we're in aisle 4. We're picking up detergent, and it's already on sale. I have to pick up the all, and you can see it's on sale for $2.99, and I have a $1.50 off coupon. My next coupon is 2 Colgate toothpaste for $7.98 off, but I'm not the only one looking for that, because with this coupon, you get it for free, and as you can see, lots of people taking advantage of that deal. I picked up 2 CoverGirl products and makeup wipes, all on sale, plus digital coupons. So I went to the checkout to see the total. With tax, $12.94. I saved almost $30, but I knew I could do better. So I went back, chose less expensive makeup items, and second round, I fared better. So I'm looking over my receipt right now, and my total was a little more than $30. But as you can see, I walked out the door after all the coupons, paying less than $5. Shows me I saved $28.30. Star has this message for those still a little weary.
I promise you, anyone can do this. It's really easy. It's just as easy as downloading some apps, clipping the coupons, and getting started.
So if you're looking for how to get started, you can find Star on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Coupon with Star. And I have to admit, I went into the process a little skeptical, probably like some of you at home, thinking it would take forever and I would need binders filled with paper coupons. But Kaylee and Nick, I was actually surprised. It was easy to clip digitally and save, and the whole deal together probably took me about 10 minutes.
I'm so glad you said that, because I was going to say, oh, come on, how long did that take you?
Right.
Wow.
10 minutes, put it together. You look through digitally, everything on your phone, because you have it on your phone, right?
Yeah, and I think more and more companies are going to start to do things like this, right?
Let's
Trying to
hope.
lure people in.
Right. Well, we're all trying to save a little bit more right now, right?
Yes, especially.
And you
right
got
now.
that all as well, so we know at least it's going to get your whites whiter. So
And you're going to smell good.
Thank you for that.
Good stuff.
Hey, keep